Today we're tackling an intriguing question. Which of these numbers is larger? Take a second to look at it and see if your basic intuition can give you some hints. Now, let's see if your intuition lines up with the algebra and what's really going on here. To begin breaking down this problem, we need to think about what is similar between these values and how we can reduce this down to just the differences between them. What's a common factor for both 222 and 333? Well, when you think about it, they are both just multiples of 111. So we will use that. Boom! So now we can rewrite both of these equations as such. Next, we want to easily compare these terms, don't we? Well, as we already know this exponent rule, we can easily split these terms up. Looking at this now, there are still different bases and exponents across the board, right? So we still don't have any terms we can get rid of. Well, what next? In order to recognize this step, you would need to be very confident with the exponent rules, but once you spot it, you understand why we do this. This has essentially given these two terms the same exponent, which will be helpful for later comparison. Now stay with me here as we multiply out these values. Taking a good look at this, we can see the 8 and the 9 are ripe for comparison. This is because they share the same exponent. Now we should be thinking about what else we can simplify. The only difference here is the exponent on the left-hand side. We can probably work something in to combine all the terms, right? Well, we can spot the 333 exponent on the left-hand side is the sore thumb of the equation. So we can fix that using basic exponent rules. Pause if you need to think for more time to digest this. The next quick step will be to combine the bases of the equations. Now we will just perform very straightforward simplifications. As you can see, this is all coming together quite beautifully now. We can just get rid of the like terms we work towards getting, then analyze the final result. Now the final result is very clear. So, this is our answer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of math.